So we came by to take a look at this house to get some pictures, and this house is currently selling for 5.7 mil. I don't know, you guys tell me. This is in North Carolina. It's not even in Charlotte or Raleigh, which are the biggest cities in North Carolina. I'm located central North Carolina, so it's got cameras all over the place. So it is for sale. If you guys want to look it up, it's 5.7 mil. If you guys are gonna buy this, invite me over. Got Miguel over there. He came by. We're about to go grab something to eat. So this wasn't even supposed to be a video. So welcome to the channel, guys. What's going on, guys? I would like to interrupt this video by bringing you today's sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber. So you guys can see here, we have my carbon fiber wallet that they were kind enough to send out in order for me to review and use it. And I have to say, I've been using this for a few months now. I know I haven't really been uploading a lot of videos, but I've just been going through different things. Both of my cars have been down, so my content has dropped tremendously, but don't worry, we're gonna be back. I know I keep saying this, I sound like a broken record, but even though I'm not making videos like that, I always have this that I'm using constantly every day, so it's not just for video purposes. So I've been using it every single day and I absolutely love it. This actually helps you maintain the bare minimum that you would need. Obviously you can fit a good amount of cars here. I have did I say cars? I meant cards. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards in here. And on the back side, you have the money clip, which is obviously used for cash. But you can also use business cards if you happen to grab one from somewhere that you might need to keep. Just stick it in here and you're good to go. Obviously you probably don't want to keep them because then you don't want to start a collection. So check them out, guys. I will have the link down below in the description. Also, I will have my discount code right here and also on the description as well. I recommend them. Check them out, guys. Now let's get back to the video. Just reverse out that way. Check out the backyard. And even if you break it, you got a new lip. Keep going. Keep going. Go slow. You're good. You got it. Now just back up all the way. So a little advice for you guys: if you go into a driveway that's steep, if you can go in fine, come out the same way that you went in, because then you won't have to worry about cracking your lip. Do you know the address of that place? I forgot what it was called. The restaurant.
I know how to get there.
You know how to get there?
I know where it is.
Alright, we'll follow you then. Just pull out so she can back out. Break that lip. Uber, yes. Thank you. I just bought this house. Thanks for picking me up. I left all my cars in LA.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, some of them are in Miami.
Okay.
But I figured I'd come out here just to get away from the heat.
Oh, okay.
And the fires in LA. So it's been about 2 days since the beginning of this video. You guys saw that we were with Miguel earlier hanging out. So this is actually a couple days later, like I mentioned. And today, Joy's actually gonna be switching out the kidney grills on her car, and I'm gonna be letting her just kind of do her own thing. I might pop in here and there to, you know, point her in the right direction. So we just actually did her spoiler, which the one that was on the car was actually a little bit messed up. The clear coat was actually cracking and fading a little bit on the edges. So here we have a brand new one that was from Mashimaru that the previous owner of the car bought. So he did, like I said, give us a lip as well to replace, but we're not going to be using that lip. We actually have another lip that we're going to be putting on the car, but that's actually going to be for a different video. So we got Joy over here, and we ordered the kidney grills from Amazon. I've actually had good luck with these before, and they're originally, I mean, they're just supposed to be the factory M Sport kidney grills. So hopefully these are the right ones. I ordered the regular single slat instead of the dual. You guys know a lot of people go for the duals. I have the double slats on mine, which are the M car, but I might actually switch to the single slot on mine.
Oh, it's upside down now.
Let's see, is it the right one? Looks like the right one. Yep. So here we have the original style.
I like them.
M Sport. I think the gloss black looks a lot better. Personally, I think when you try to do too much carbon fiber, I think it's just a little bit too much. And then technically this isn't even real carbon, so I'm picky on that side, and I don't think she really likes it too much. You know, no offense to the previous owner. Everybody has different taste. If you like that, you know, nothing wrong with that, but that's just not us. So we're gonna go with the gloss black. Here's the engine bay, which I didn't really show in the previous video, but it was a interesting story on this engine cover. You know, I'm just gonna say it's not our style, so we would rather have just a plain black one. So if anybody wants to trade, let us know. Otherwise, I think we're just gonna be on the search for the regular engine cover, or we might get something else, but we're not really feeling the blue.
No.
It doesn't really match. Plus it's, I don't know what to say. Anyways, there's two ways of doing this. You can reach in and try to pop out the kidney grills through here. I personally think that it's a lot easier to just remove this rubber piece and remove these bolts out, and then push the bumper forward, and then that way you can get your hand in there and pop them out a lot quicker.
Can't wait to put on my new lip, y'all. You can see the ugly crackiness in the sun.
Alright, so I'm gonna let Joy take over the video. Just to give you guys a explanation, she's gonna be taking out these bolts, which is a T30 and a T25, and then she's just gonna reach behind it and then clip the clips, and then she'll be able to do both sides. And I think while she's at it, she's also gonna be removing the red on the bars, just to keep it black and a little bit more simple. So enjoy the time lapse.
La verdad tipo me compré un Rolex. La plata no es felicidad, pero invierto en Forex. Me confundo quién amar a quién mandar.
Alright, so the grills are out, except these are, I've never actually used these. I've seen them online. Before these came out, people were doing vinyl wrap. That's how I did mine. But these are like actual plastic caps. Oh, there goes your nails.
Yeah, that's when he comes in and, you know, give me a manicure.
Nope.
What? Here you go.
I don't think it was a recording. Oh yeah, it was. I don't know if you guys saw,
This was a
but
bee to get out.
she had to pry both sides while I pulled on one side, so that releases them. But this is kind of ugly now.
We're going to have to repaint it later.
There you go. Alright, so this is out. Oh, anybody want to buy that for a giveaway? Somebody?
$5.
I'm gonna do a little giveaway if anybody wants them. Go subscribe to subscribe to the channel and go follow Joy. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is, while we're here, these are kind of ashy. Luckily I have plenty of black vinyl, so we're gonna do these in black. So I'm just gonna clean them up, wipe them down with alcohol. Actually, I'm gonna let Joy do that, and then I'll probably let her do the wrapping itself. I'm gonna just cut the pieces and I'm gonna let her do it.
Oh, the thing fell. Oh, hope you saw that. We're in our vinyl department over here. Alright, I'm gonna give this a try. That's how it looks. Looks more cleaner. Alright, I'm gonna be putting the new ones back in. Why? Putting the new ones in.
Everything looks good. Looks like this side has to get pushed in just a little bit. But that's kind of one of those things that once you take that bumper off, you just gotta go back and realign everything. Just gotta push it in a little bit. But other than that, that looks a lot better to me.
There we go. Looks much better. More cleaner. When we put on the new lip, it's gonna look more better. It'll just be a little cracky for now.
It does look clean. Looks like lots of black bars. Actually looks nice back there.
And then look at my wrapping skills. Okay, take it away, babe.
Well, that's gonna do it for today's video. We got Joy and her F30. Her first time actually doing some work on the car. The other times it's just been me, but she hasn't really done anything. We just did a spoiler on her A3 that she had, and wheels. What do you have? Coilovers? That was it. So this is the first time. Obviously the car is already modified, but like I said, we're just gonna do some changes that she likes and that she wants to do. Some things that she wasn't really too fond of. So whatever we do, I'm gonna run it by her first, see if she likes it. Obviously I'm gonna give my input, and then it's up to her to make the final choices. So so far we're off to a good start. I agree that it looks better. Normally I would consider doing maybe like some silver back there. That's the only other color that I would do. But the black does look nice. So let us know what you think. Do you prefer this style, or do you prefer the all gloss black? So drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Go drop by her Instagram and give her a follow for more videos and pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, or we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye.